Okay, okay. Yesterday was a day. Saw a lot of setups yesterday and take them. Today's Thursday. Core PPI numbers came out. Unemployment claims came out at 8:30. Let's take a look at where we are on the daily. In within 2 days, it's kind of amazing. We just took out all-time highs, or we took out 2 days worth of downward movements for this fair value gap here on the 4 hour, also on the daily, and we just took out these highs. So expect a retracement coming down into the previous day range, where we can possibly find a setup to go higher. This is a daily bullish order block that I have not marked out. Interesting. So let's mark that out. And oh, that's because that lines up with the new week opening gap. So that's why. Um, so that's like right here. Let's sync this to, so that lines up right there. Right, so I mean you could take that off. I don't need that much. Let's put that in the background of mine. Anyways, so looking at dollars is interesting. One, two, three, four, five. So we may get a five kind of run tech up these highs right here and continue going lower. Which will perfectly in line if you come down into a discount in the previous day's range and continue moving up higher. But look at Dow. Dow is down, down, baby, down. Probably going optical trade entry, discount, then move up. ES failed to take out its highs here, so we have SMT. So that gives as well as bearish order block right here. That gives us a credit that, or indication that we're going to move a little bit lower, possibly on the daily. So looking for shorts, uh, perhaps is advisable. ES may just accumulate or consolidate, come down to this daily bullish order block and then consolidate and Q, uh, whatchamacallit, discount within this weekly range here, and maybe draw liquidity here, then go down, and everything else maybe went up. So that's what we're looking on a daily. What I have here in a 4 hour, we have a look at this. It's more so fitted for the hourly, but previous day high, inverse fair value gap. That was the first indication that we were going to reverse on the hourly, and we have this potential inverse fair value gap here on the 4 hour. So we'll keep an eye on that. Really depends how we close within the next 40 minutes. If we can reclaim this, go up higher, right? See what happens with that. Um, Let me turn this guy on. So we came right down to the new week opening gap, which aligns with this. I'll go on the hourly time frame. But anyways, this is what I'm looking at from this range here to this low here, this high, this range, this low to this high. Looking at optics trade entry and equilibrium of this range here to see if we can get a possible, you know, move up higher. So from where we are right now, down here, it's over 100 something points. So if we do find a return to optical trade entry or a setup in a premium, we could take that, trade that lower. Hopefully we can break through this new week opening gap and continue going down lower. If not, then look for his trade setup to go higher. We're going to be playing some judo today. So take this guy off. Let's look at the hourly. This is what really captured my attention last night. Looking at this breakaway gap right here and extending down, we go right down to 2225 standard deviation. This is just perfect, which also aligns with our new week opening gap right here to the T. Also mid range of that 22.5. See, boom, right there. Boom. And I believe this might be, no, that isn't what that is. So stuck within this range on hourly. Where we're gonna go, we'd have to look on the lower time frame to get some type of clarification on what that might be. Maybe run up to the 830 high, which is right here. 830 high is right here. Sync that globally. Come on. Why isn't it syncing? I want it globally, baby. Come on. Reload. 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 All right, I don't know why it's not showing up, but the it's at 712. That's the 21,712, which is right below this 15-minute what would have been a bullish order block. That's where 8:30 open is, which kind of lines up with this wick on the hourly too. So we may see something here to transpire. Kind of cold. Customer encroachment. Um, this 1 hour. And let's go ahead and sync that globally as well. Okay. So we have accumulation here, just drop down one, two, three, four, five. I guess you can call that five kind of run. And this bearish order block here is what brought us down lower, which was at the 8:30 open. Um, I don't see any other clean highs. I mean, we could come up here, but right now I do believe we can test this discount rate, discount range down here. So we are in premium. So when we're in premium, look for a retracement to discount. Let's look at our 15-minute new day opening gap. So new week opening gap to new day opening gap. This is a lot of accumulation internal. So if we were to play that game, then it would be, take small little wins. We do have I mean, today was a new driver, but not like yesterday's new driver, which is it's over, right? The movie's over. So probably gonna be back to a new norm until next week, um, which is looking like this. A lot of folder days. So no need to try to like go too crazy, right? So we took out the swing low down here. Boom. We did not displace below it. And this bullish order block right here, we blew through it. So I'm taking that off just for the sake. We also have another customer encroachment on the 15, the 8:30 data high. 8:30 candle, data candle, run up in here. Boom. We have somewhat relative equal highs up here as well on the 15. So um, I want to, well, I'll do something different, right? So this will be on the 15. I was using like this data stuff here. Um, it's helpful, quite a bit to manage. Instead, what I do here is I just go here and I don't I want this to only be visible on the 15-minute. So I'll just drag this down here, 15-minute. Therefore, it's not visible on other time frames. This swing low down here, I mean, we did take it out technically. We have a draw on liquidity right here. So put this here, do the same thing, 15. I mean, you could keep it at 19. We're not going to be looking at those other time frames anyway. So 15, which was taken out this morning. Also, what we have here is, all of our Asia, 8:30, all that's way up here in the premium. Midnight open is way up here. 8:30 is way up here. It's not like we're in a discount, so I can't say that we are in a discount below 8:30 and midnight open. Therefore, we can see a move up higher. So I don't know. Kind of, we'll figure things out. See what we actually know where we want to look. Um, do have a small little fair value gap up in here. Also, this here is a bearish order block here on the 15. So we did take out drawn liquidity here. So we would want to see this be taken out as well as the customer encroachment here be taken out. Maybe come back down into a discount here, then move up higher. So something like this. Run up, boom, come down and discount within its respective range here. Continue moving up higher. So that's a possibility. Other than that, I really don't know. But I like how we came to this new week opening gap as well as the daily bullish order block. It had my alert here, you know, but it never was triggered. Never was triggered. See, the low here is 648. Oh, 648.50. Wow. 648.25. The low. Oh, the low was 75, so one little pip above. Yeah, man. So let's take our time with this, see what we get. We might end up watching it like we did yesterday. Took a small little short position yesterday. Got stopped out in profit, um, which is good. So still in premium, still bullish. Higher time frame, still bullish. Just look at Dow really quickly. Yeah, Dow's at equilibrium. And look at this bearish order block right here. 1.5, 2.5 right here, smart money reversal, which, if we do get that, then we have to come down here for that to be a smart money reversal. Or we could just come down here to this bullshit order block, which we already hit, and continue moving up higher. And once we take these, just draw on liquidity out right here on Dow, boom, right? So that's how we're looking. At least that's what I suspect could happen. I mean, that's my understanding of what could transpire. All right, so let's go back to our 15, put them up here. Market's about to open in a minute. Let's get super frantic and nervous. Get all excited, start clapping, right? Here's our previous day high we're running up into. So if we can, I don't want to say we can stay above this because this is related to on the daily time frame. So we clean that off. All right, so market's open. Not looking on the one because that's where I want to look for. We have some relative good lows down here that we can sweep. This what happens here will inform what happens here. But we're inside of a range, so it's best to see that we exit out of this range, see which side of this range we want to go for. And right now we are here's a premium. That's also trade entry. Fair value gap is here. Bear short block is here. One, two, three, four. Run up. So we're coming for those lows down there. Right? Relative lows down there. So we'll probably take a sweep at that and see what we can get with that. This can turn into a 15-minute bearish order block. It's a possibility. So um, bearish order block right here. So I'm gonna just do this. This is like 15. 15 is a possibility. We're not sure yet. We'll keep an eye on it. We'd have to close below it for that to be. Um, so we'll see. I want to sync this here. This is not a first presented fair value gap. It will be after the 941 candle. If this were to be like a bullish short block, a bearish short block, takes us down to this swing low down here. What is this for? Why is that here? Yeah, I don't know why that's there. This might have been from, yeah, it's from some other shit. I really don't know what that's about. We can go to this guy. But this is just experimentation. I really can't say what it will be. But I like how you went to a one standard deviation, right? Potential 5 can run on the one. Look at these swing. Look at these clean swing highs right here, or Otsuka highs up here. So maybe 5 can run, take out the low right here, come back into this new weak opening gap. This lines up to 2.5. Smart money reversal again. Then run up here to take out these Rotico highs at the open. It's at 699. Really looking for like a 50-point plus move from a higher time frame. This is exactly 50 points. Look at this. Whoa. I'm in the negatives. I don't know why that is the way it is, but we can just click this button. Reset. Reset. Well, let's put this to 1,000. Pretend we're in our discount brokerage account. Yeah, but we won't get 105. How is that possible? Right, we'll just go with 5. No, we're not getting 5 points or five contracts with $1,000. Right. So if 5 kind of run up, small little fair value gap up here, no first presented fair value gap. I'm sure this is like disc premium on the one, but again, we're inside of this range here, so like chill, chill, baby, chill. See if this fair value gap can remain open. So this 15-minute bear shorter block, I don't know. I don't know. It's not looking like it's gonna work, buddy. Yeah, I'm getting rid of this. Here's a 15. It might work out. Look at this. Rotigo has again. Boom. Right into this 5-minute change state delivery. And there we go. All right, these are one of the moments that, personally speaking, it consumes a lot of my mental capital, just trying to estimate, determine, what the fuck is going on. Following these candles go up and down, this dry rating takes a lot of mental capital, and it's like, all right, well, what is it that you want to see happen? I want to see this 15-minute bear short block. So that's 7.5 minutes left. So it's like, all right, let's come back in 7.5 minutes. But hey, what if we miss the setup in those 7.5 minutes? You know, constant approach from here on the 5. So we'll try something different. We'll put on some comedy. Right now I got the house music going, but all this here, It's all good. All right, I'm about to go for a little walk. I'll come back and watch the Thanksgiving dinner. Silly ass niggas. Let me cue it up real quick. So, be back. right, what I miss? All right, so this is not a 15-minute bear short of block. I'm taking this off. This isn't the one that I want to look at, so taking that off. Looks like we haven't gone anywhere. Usually the game plan for consolidation is, where are we at? Expansion. Um, yeah, I don't have anything here for, oh, here we are, consolidation. We can see present value for range, with range. Let's see consolidation as an end of market maker model on or high time frame drawn liquidity. Liquidity is being engineered when prices consolidating. Look for else equal highs, lows to be formed. Align projection with consolidation. So we have all this here. Boom, boom. But this is like in premium. See, boom for a gap here. Consolidating within it. Also, time plays a factor as well. We have our checklist here. So checklist A, OT range if in premium high time frame, look for retracement to premium consolidate range, or if bearish, vice versa, bodies respect OTM range. Look for five candle change state delivery to exit range. Just be a qualifier to be interested in looking to enter into a trade. First move away, be precursor to manipulation and in the destined direction of the distribution move. Confirmation, change state delivery 2.5 projection. So we move like this, then that move up here isn't where we're going. That's our manipulation. No, this is the start of the manipulation. Manipulation. Boom. So we range. We measure this here. It goes down, takes out, tilts out there, then moves up. So that first move up, that's where we're going. Then we manipulate down, then we distribute. CB to be formed after 5 minute change in state delivery. So that's it for bearish. Right, we have a CB. Look to enter, look to time entry or exit with Q4. We have process B. So let's take a look at what's going on here. We're in this range here. Buys are respecting uh, equilibrium of this range here. We are inside of Q3. Q4 is here. So could we consolidate for the next, what is this, 20 minutes? Right? Really looking for one of these ranges to be taken. If we come way up here, then that'll be of interest to me. And what that will tell me is that, maybe we can come down here, take out the sell side here, and move up, get like a potential fair value gap here. Maybe a 5 candle run on the 1 minute, hit that boom. 1 hour constant encroachment, and our 15 minute that's way up there is even higher. Oh, the 15 minute 5 lines up, then come down. So we'll see. Look for price to be at near terminus of price leg. Change to delivery, order block, projection, or on high time frame, your own liquidity. So that's kind of where we are right now. This consolidation is taking place near this high time frame drawing liquidity, this new week opening gap, as well as the daily bullish order block. Look for price to test fair value gap in initial price leg, then return in price leg direction, but fail at order block or rejection block. I don't know what that means. I do look for price to test fair value gap in initial price leg, so that will be this. Then return in price leg, price leg direction, but fail at order block or rejection block. Rejection block is 50% of the wick. So failure means like we run up here and we come down and we fail to be supported right here. We continue moving down. Kind of like what we got going on right here. We'll just jumbled up and stuff. Looks like we're coming for these lows on here, maybe. Then look for price to form a change to delivery or 5 minute change to delivery and or 1 minute Take trade when price returns to it or on 50-second fair value gap with the change of delivery. Look for relative highs, lows to be formed for liquidity to be engineered. Fair value gap should form out of consolidation. 'Cause when we get that fair value gap, that means all right, we're ready. Align this with time frame quarterly theory shift, project trade state delivery for terminus aligned with OT or object initial price leg plus with internal range liquidity. So after we get that change state delivery, then we know where we're coming from and where we're possibly going. Align that up projection with OTE of the price leg or uh, fair value gap or some form of external range liquidity. See. The first draw on the code would typically be the direction of the move plus the manipulation. So expect manipulation to take place after the draw on the liquidity, which can be shy or minimum. Yeah, it'll be a little move up. Also project the order block that took the draw on liquidity. See image below. So a lot going on here. Order block 5 candle run here. Initial draw on liquidity here. Take that out. Measured from here to here. Got a projection out to 2.5 here is for our smart money reversal. I remember this day. Yeah, that was an interesting day. And so we have our accumulation, we have a manipulation, and we have a distribution here. Um, from this high here, for this price leg here, here's our optical trading entry right here. See how we went up in that? Boom. And so see how we have that nice 2.5 body's kind of respecting optical trading entry here. Bearish for the block, we can extend this out. Kind of have a like a high, low, high, high, not really, but yeah. Then boom, we just die or it dies. All right, rule one, bullish trend measure low to high buy side. So this is something that is more involved. I have a video on this. We can take a look at that later. Change say delivery, draw liquidity, order block theory. Oh yeah, order block theory is interesting. So basically look for all the order blocks here. So this is a bearish order block. See how these are lines? This here and this here. See how those two are lines? If we project those two, it'll be same projection going in one direction. So my little fair value gap right here. This is in fact our first presented fair value gap on the day right here. But still haven't taken any draws on liquidity. Still in the discount. I mean, we got what 6 minutes left. We have an alert set here, so if that gets triggered, we'll take a look. I'm about to watch some comedy right now. I keep this up. 10 o'clock's coming up in 7 minutes as well. All right, coming into this 10 o'clock Central. No, I'm playing Eastern. So this fair rate gap here appears to will be inverse on the 4 hour. And on the hourly, still within this range here. Oh gosh, this hurt. So we'd have a new hourly within these two candles. 15 is still 15, so 4 seconds left. Can we get a reversal? There we go. So it says officially been inversed. All right, so Q4 is coming up. You got some relative highs right here. No 5 candle run yet. Again, I'm interested in like one of these ranges being taken out. I really don't want to anticipate trying to catch anything coming out of this consolidation. It's 50-50. When it's 50-50, the odds are not in your favor. So therefore, you bag back, man. I need to wash my hair. Whew. You say you look like a leprechaun. All right, so we're approaching the quarter. Take a look at this. We don't have to take it. It's just that. All right, alert's been triggered. We're in an area where we can look for setup. This might be our, first direction, drawing liquidity. So we may get manipulation going up. Maybe take out these Rotiga highs, continue coming back down lower. See how we're just chilling with this fair value gap. ICT says he likes to see it just go in and come out. So this might not be a promising fair value gap. Here's also a trade entry within the fair value gap right here. Oh, it's all relative. 6 candles. 6 candles, so it's all close. What is this? All right, so we have a possible and breakaway gap. Smaller inverse fair value gap right here. $4 minutes for this 15 minute. Let's see. If we can close below this. So that's basically closing below the week opening gap. Here we have a small little fair value gap right here. Let's see if this gets inversed. This is not right. It's supposed to be up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. give it that Q4, high, low, boom. I don't know what's going on with other. If I come now for these lows on here, I like how 170 Haitian is of this range here. Still no trades for me. I mean, I see no entry here. So if I'm gonna run on a one at a low of a new weak opening gap, see what we get of this. We're probably gonna come for these lows on here or this here, right? 1 hour. Accumulation, possible manipulation. So when body respecting, let's see if this body here respects it. This body respects it. I mean, obviously that's where we opened up. If we don't displace below it, then we may want to seek to go higher. I like this fair value gap right here. See if we break through this here. All right, that's been inverse. I'll take this. All right, so red obstacle straight entry. I just took my trade off. That would be my first target. Had I had a runner on, I'll keep it on. But that's what this here is for. So halfway on the daily goal has been reached. So I'm satisfied with that.